Hello, welcome on this new training, and this is a part about PVS, so provisioning services. Provisioning services is a fantastic solution coming with Citrix. So, what is PVS? PVS is something amazing. I'm using PVS since more than 20 years, and it's a fantastic product, and it's a way that you will have the way to really uh, manage your storage environment and to have a fantastic way to create only one vDisk. You want to say what is a vDisk? It's like a hard disk, but it's stored on a SAN, and create, for example, 300, 400 VM, and they will be linked to this vDisk. So it's really a streaming Pixie solution. It's amazing solution. So we will see how to integrate PVS with XenApp and Xen Desktop, but more with Xen Desktop because really this is a fantastic solution if you want, for example, to create a Citrix catalog with PVS. So imagine that you can, for example, create 200 VM with the VDA inside, and after you can just boot them, and they will boot directly on the vDisk through fantastic protocol like Pixie, TFTP, and streaming. So first of all, let's see what is PVS. So PVS is a software streaming technology that delivers patch, update, and other configuration information to multi-virtual desktop endpoints through a shared desktop image. So the advantage is that it's doing centralization of the VM management while reducing the operational and storage cost on a virtualization desktop environment. So this is the first advantage. So what is the force and why PVS is so fantastic solution? So PVS takes a very different approach from traditional imaging solution by fundamentally changing the relationship between hardware and software. So this is the first advantage. So the idea is that by he will stream a single shared disk image. The name is vDisk, rather than copying image to individual machine. Okay, so of course when you create VM, you will create VM with an hard disk. This is normal, okay? You're doing that since so many years. It's like a physical computer. It's like a laptop. You have a hard disk. This is logical for you, but not with PVS. So that's it. Is that we're going to create some VM. You can create with Xen Desktop, for example, 500 VM, 600 VM, and they will share a simple and single disk image. So really PVS enables organization to reduce the number of disk image that they manage. Of course, this is important. Even as the number of machine continue to grow, simultaneously providing the efficiency of centralization management with the benefits of distribution processing. So this is the first thing. Real PVS is that you will really separate the hard disk that normally fits in your VM or physical laptop desktop, and you will use only a vDisk. So this is the first thing of PVS. So using PVS, any vDisk can be configured in standard image mode. We'll see what is standard image mode. So vDisk in standard image mode allow many computers to boot from it in the same time. Wow! And greatly reducing the number of images that must be managed and the amount of storage that will be required. Of course, storage is very powerful, and of course today, so a company prefer to really manage their storage than add new storage. Okay, this is the best practice. So the vDisk is a read-only format, and the image cannot be changed by target devices. We'll see after that we have, of course, some cache. So without PVS, storage costs can put desktop virtualization out of the budget. of course, because if I need so many VM for my Xen desktop, I will need so many storage. So with PVS, IT can reduce the amount of storage required for VDI by as much as 90%. Wow, amazing, 90%. And at the same time, the ability to manage a single image rather than hundreds of thousands of desktop. And you will reduce what? The cost, the effort, and of course, the desktop administration. So PVS streaming technology allows computers to be provisioned and reprovisioning in real time from a single shared disk image. Wow! And this enables administrators to completely eliminate the need to manage and patch individual systems. Imagine, this is the dream. You have, for example, 100 VM with 100 hard disks. You must patch them, all of them. No. Instead, all image management is done on the master image. Just one master image. And the local hard disk of each system can be used for runtime data caching or some scenario remove it from the system, which reduces power usage, system failure rates, and security risk. So PVS is based on a software streaming technology. After I will do a drawing about that. So after installing and configuring PVS, a vDisk is created from a device hard drive by taking a snapshot of the OS and application image and then storing that image as a vDisk on the network. So not on a network, on a SAN or NAS, of course. And the device that is used during this process is referred to as a master target device. And the devices that use those vDisk are called target devices. So vDisk can exist on a PVS, a file share, or in large deployment on a storage system that PVS can communicate with, for example, iSCSI, SAN, NAS, or CFS. And vDisk can be assigned to a single target device as private mode, or of course to multiple target device as standard image mode. So when a target device is turned on, it is set to boot from the network and to communicate with a PVS. So unlike thin client technology, processing takes place on the target device. So you will see now the illustration about PVS, and that will be in the next lecture. So let's stop this record, and now I will do a drawing about the complete way how PVS is working. You will see it's really amazing. So please follow me on the next lecture. Thank you for all. Bye bye.